Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today's video is going to feature some more cozy fall DIY ideas that you can play around with this season. Here we have someone making some concrete style pumpkins. Now I've never seen this before, but I think the idea is so cute and it definitely sounds like a fun little weekend project that you can do this fall season. These are very unique. You could place them outdoors or you can place them inside your home. I love the creativity. Very nice. So next up we have a door hanging piece. Now you can hang this on your door. You can obviously hang it up throughout your home. I think the Hello Fall is very cute. We didn't get the full breakdown on what they did, but this seems like a very easy project to replicate. You could just do the burlap bow, do the wording, just a very cute fall project once again. So then we have a bathroom inspired DIY project. So they did a soap dish, a toothbrush holder, a full set really. Now this particular project looks like it would take a lot of work to do and replicate, but it would be worth it because you would save so much money. And it looks amazing, very cute. I really like the color scheme too. So next up, we have another beautiful wall decor piece. And this is actually one of those projects where you can, use it all year round. Doesn't have to be for the fall season. And then we have a pumpkin vase. Now you're going to want to use a real pumpkin for this. However, it looks like she might have a fake one. Well, if you were to use a fake one, it would definitely save a lot of time. Wow, look at that. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. And then I just thought that this was so cute, this little pillow. And I think they grabbed this at Starbucks. It's obviously, an homage to the pumpkin spice season. I just love it. Look at that blanket too. So cute and cozy. Very cool styles. So we have another pumpkin DIY here for the next one. So it looks like they just stuffed a balloon. very interesting play on a little pumpkin craft. And then we have an action-inspired DIY. They got the sunflowers here. Bamboo plate, candle holder. So I wonder if they're going to be making like a centerpiece, like a fall-themed centerpiece. Oh, this is cute. Nice and, like she said, very easy DIY project to do. And then we have a DIY mirror design here. So I think they found this mirror when they were thrifting. So I actually like this idea of doing this mirror, but it would be hard to find the exact same one that had like that similar shape that she was looking for from Pottery Barn. So I mean, you might be able to find it at maybe like Home Goods or maybe even Hobby Lobby. But because she found this mirror thrifted, it would be kind of hard to replicate this particular project. However, I do love the way that this turned out. It's a little bit darker than the color she initially was going for of the Pottery Barn. So not an exact dupe, but I think it came out great. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.